Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add baggage in Delta Airlines. This is a straightforward process that lets you prepay for your checked bags during online check-in, which can save you time at the airport and sometimes even money compared to paying at the counter. First, open your web browser and navigate to delta.com. Once you're on the Delta homepage, look for the check-in option and click on it. You'll be prompted to fill in the required information, such as your confirmation number, ticket number, or SkyMiles number along with your last name. After entering these details, click the red button to proceed with your check-in. Now, since I don't have an actual ticket number ready for demonstration purposes, I'm going to walk you through what happens next in the process so you know exactly what to expect. As your check-in page loads, you'll want to locate the bags or add bags section. This is typically found under baggage options during the check-in flow. Delta makes this pretty visible because they want to give you the opportunity to add bags ahead of time. This section will show you your current baggage allowance based on your ticket type and fare class. Next, select the number and type of bags you want to check. You'll see options for your first check bag, second check bag, and so on. Delta clearly labels each option so you'll know whether you're adding a standard check bag or if there are any special categories available. The system will automatically calculate the fees based on your specific route and the fare you purchased. Different ticket types come with different baggage allowances, so the fees you see will reflect your individual situation. Once you've made your selection, review the fees displayed on your screen. Take a moment to make sure everything looks correct, including the number of bags and the total cost. This is important because once you proceed, you'll be committing to these charges. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Add Bags or continue to move forward. Now you'll be directed to a payment page where you need to enter your payment details for the baggage fee. Delta accepts most major credit and debit cards. Fill in your card information carefully, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Double-check that all the information is accurate before proceeding. After entering your payment details, click Pay Now or Submit to finalize the transaction. The system will process your payment, which may take a few seconds, so be patient and avoid clicking the button multiple times. Once the payment goes through, you'll receive a confirmation that your baggage has been added. Delta will send you an email receipt confirming the update, which will include details about your checked bags and the fees paid. You can now proceed to print or save your boarding pass, and you're all set. When you arrive at the airport, simply drop off your prepaid bags at the bag drop counter, and you'll be ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.